Hello everyone, welcome to my UPSC. This is a practice test for UPHESC Assistant Professor exam, General Studies paper. Two tests we have already completed. The PDF of those tests you can download. The PDF link is available in the description. Please subscribe the channel and support for next tests. Let's begin. What was the Rigvedic name of river Ravi? So the correct answer is Parushani. First one is the correct answer. Who introduced the Rayatwari system in India? The Rayatwari system in India is introduced by Munro and Charles Reed. Where did Mofla revolt take place? Mofla revolt was take place in Kerala. You can join the test series. Test series for general studies and optional subject. Both are available, and the test series link is also available in the description. Which of the following is not matched correctly? Which is incorrect? So Harappa, Lothal, Dholavira is not in Rajasthan. Who founded the organization Servants of Indian Society? Servants of Indian Society was founded by G.K. Gokhale, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Who is called as Beacon of Light of Asia? It is none other than Subhash Chandra Bose. Which of the following commission was appointed by the central government on union-state relations in 1983? Center-state relations in 1983, it is Sarkaria Commission. There is a lot of commission for center-state relations, but in 1983, the correct answer is Sarkaria Commission. Which of the following taxes are levied by the union government but collected and appropriated by the states? And it is stamp duties and excise duties on medical and toilet materials. So correct answer is this one. First and A and B is the correct one. Which of the following taxes are imposed and collected by the state government? Estate duty, sales tax, land revenue, all of the above. All of the above taxes are imposed and collected by the state government. Which of the following tax is levied and collected by the union government but the proceeds are distributed between union and states? So this is income tax. Income tax is imposed by the central government under the Income Tax Act 1961. This tax is distributed among the states on the recommendation of Finance Commission. जो फिनांस कमीशन है उसके रिकमेंडेशन पे फिर स्टेट्स को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया जाता है. Which of the following duties levied and collected by the union government? It is all the above. Which of The article deals with the grants in aid by the union government to state government. Which article is deal with it? The article 275 is related to grants in aid from the union government to center states at the time of requirement. It shall be charged on the consolidated fund of India also. So correct answer is 275. Union budget of India is presented by whom and in which house of the parliament? So union budget is presented in Lok Sabha by the finance minister of India. Who among the following presented union budget maximum number of times? It is Morarji Desai, approximate 10 times. Who among the following presented the first budget interim of independent India? And the correct answer is R.K. Chetty. Which of the following article deals with the election of vice president? Election of vice president, article 66 deals with the election of vice president of India. Who can remove the vice president from his office? Only parliament can remove. So the correct answer is parliament. Which of the following passes cut through the Pir Panjal range and links Manali and Leh? It is Rohtang Pass. Following reason supports the Kareva formation. Kareva formation is in Kashmir Himalayas. Where is the Loktek Lake situated? Loktek Lake is situated in Manipur, Kaibul Lamjo National Park. Which of the following water bodies separates the Andaman from the Nicobar? Which separates 10-degree channel separates Andaman to Nicobar? Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission in 1896 to carry on humanitarian relief and social work? Humanitarian relief and social work. And the correct answer is Swami Vivekanand. Under which among the following acts civil services started in India? Civil services started in India under the Charter Act of 1833. In 1853, the civil services became an open competition. However, the exam were conducted in London only. The first exam were held in 1855 under the Board of Control supervision. Who among the following is called the father of nationalism in India? Raja Ram Mohan Rai is called father of Indian nationalism. Bal Gangadhar Tilak is called the father of Indian unrest. Both of them made great contribution to the Indian nationalism. Where is the headquarter of Broadcast Audience Research Council located? BARC. Headquarter of BARC is located in Mumbai. Parinam Manjusa is the digital academic repository of which institute? It is The live image of the student will be matched with the photograph of on the CBSE admit card. The application will be available in the digital academic repository of CBSE, Parinam, Manjusa and DigiLocker also. So this is associated with CBSE. Hampi Chariot is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in which state? Hampi is located in Karnataka. The Central Vista Avenue redevelopment project has been awarded to which company? It is in news. Central Vista Avenue redevelopment project has been awarded to Sapurji Pallonji and Company Private Limited. Space Entrepreneurship and Enterprise Development SEED is the initiative of which organization? SEED is the initiative of ISRO. ISRO is to formulate the space entrepreneurship and enterprise development. Which Indian state assembly played the national anthem after almost 16 years? Almost 16 years, the national anthem was played inside the Nagaland State Assembly for the first time. Kala Namak rice, Kala Namak rice or Buddha rice, which was making news recently, is associated with which Indian state? It is associated with Uttar Pradesh, is set to export an consignment of 20 tons, approximate 20 tons. 20 tons of Buddha rice, also known as Kala Namak rice, to Singapore. This variety of rice is one of the finest varieties of aromatic rice in India, and the state government has declared it as the one district one product of Siddharthnagar district. Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan is an initiative of which institute? Surakshit Hum Surakshit Tum Abhiyan is a initiative of Niti Aayog with the association of Piramal Foundation. Niti Aayog and Piramal Foundation. Which institute has launched a new scheme named Faster or Fast and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records? It is launched by the Supreme Court of India. Judge CJI N.V. Ramanna launched a new scheme called Faster and Secure Transmission of Electronic Records. Ganga Pathway, which is said to be the version of Mumbai's famous Marine Drive, is being opened in which Indian city? It is in Patna, Bihar. Patna, Bihar. Who is often called as Hindu Luther of Northern India? Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar is called the Hindu Luther of Northern India. First president of Indian Home Rule League was first president was Joseph Baptista. Indian Home Rule League of Bal Gangadhar Tilak was launched in April 1916 and Home Rule League in September 1916 by Annie Besant. Joseph Baptista was the first president of the Indian Home Rule League, established in April 1916. Which among the following plateau in India lie between Aravalli and Vindhya range? And it is Malwa plateau. Pagladia Dam project is located in which state? It is located in Assam. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of India when Mandal Commission was constituted? Mandal Commission was constituted under the Article 340. Morarji Desai government appointed the second backward class commission under the chairmanship of BP Mandal. Who make the electoral college for election of Vice President of India? Vice President of India, only member of Parliament. How long did the Constituent Assembly take to frame the Constitution? It takes approximate 3 years. And exactly it is 2 year, 11 month and 18 days. Two years, 11 months and 18 days to frame the Constitution. Constituent Assembly took this time. Which act signed by B.R. Ambedkar on behalf of depressed classes in September 1932 abandoned the demand for separate electorate for the depressed classes? The agreement known as Pune Pact, and it is signed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar on behalf of the depressed class, which retained the Hindu joint electorate and gave reserved seats to the depressed classes. It is abandoned the demand for separate electorates for depressed classes. Which of the following was not the member of Fazal Ali Commission formed in 1953? Fazal Ali Commission formed in December 1953 consisted of 3 members: Fazal Ali, K.M. Panikar and H.N. Kunro. So, correct answer is Vallabhbhai Patel was not the member of this Fazal Ali Commission, and it is also known as States Reorganization Commission. States Reorganization Commission is also known as Fazal Ali Commission. Who is the guardian of the fundamental rights of the citizens of India? Fundamental rights, it is judiciary is the guardian of the fundamental rights. India's first national butterfly park was established at which among the following national parks? First butterfly park was established at Bannerghatta National Park, Karnataka, and this national park was founded in 1970. It was declared national park in 1974. It is located near Bangalore, Karnataka. Which of the following panel was established in 1988 by the WMO and the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP to evaluate the risk of climate change caused by human activity? And the correct answer is first one. Which of the following NGO releases State of Environment report in India? It is released by Development Alternatives. Headquarter of IMO is located at Headquarter of IMO is located at London. In which of the following state in India established the country's first carbon dioxide measurement exchange tower? It is in Uttarakhand. Which among the following is commonly found in Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Mannar, Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep? And the correct answer is coral reef is commonly found at these places. Who was the author of the book Planned Economy of India? M. Visvesvaraya wrote this book. Which of the following is incorrect? This one is incorrect. That's it guys. If you subscribe the channel, we will continue this English medium course, this course for English medium aspirants. Thank you very much. All the very best. Wish you good luck. Thank you. Please subscribe.